Today at 3 p.m, millions of UK mobile phones connected to 4G and 5G networks will receive a test emergency alert, complete with a loud 10-second siren and vibration. The alert, in English and Welsh, will clearly state it's a test and reassure that no action is required, while linking to gov.uk for preparedness information. This is the second nationwide test of the UK's emergency alert system, designed to warn people if there's a life-threatening emergency like extreme weather or local disaster. Devices that are switched off, in airplane mode, offline or older models may not receive the alert. In response, match times like the Glasgow Derby have been adjusted. Kick-off delayed to 3:05 p.m. to minimise disruption. Government officials liken this system to a national fire alarm, vital during emergencies when every minute can save lives.